We will be going over some quick examples of labor hour inputs and comparative advantage so that whenever you see any of those problems and you see the different type of numbers that are being used, you won't have any trouble with them. Start again with our old example of Japan and Morocco and the amount of shampoo or keyboards they can produce. But this time, both countries take the same amount of hours to produce shampoo. So in this example, neither country has any absolute advantage in the production of shampoo, but Japan still has an absolute advantage in producing keyboards. So in this case, we'd still have Japan producing keyboards and Morocco producing shampoo, because if Japan were to be producing shampoo, then they miss out on producing 5 keyboards because 2 hours times 5 keyboards is the amount of time it would take for Japan to make 1 shampoo. For Morocco, if Morocco produced the shampoo, then they'd only be missing out on producing 2 keyboards because 5 hours times 2 keyboards is the 10 hours it would take to produce 1 shampoo. So Morocco just has a lower opportunity cost producing the shampoo than Japan does. Another example, but I switched up Japan's 10 hours to make a shampoo for 5 again. In this case, it just looks like Japan has the absolute advantage in producing both products because it takes less time than Morocco to make both things. Or Japan will still need to trade because it can't spend all of its time making both things. It needs to specialize. You find which country has the lower opportunity cost to produce both things. So for Japan, if Japan was making keyboards, then it'd be missing out on making like 2/5 of a bottle of shampoo in the time it takes to make a keyboard, or 40% of a bottle. And then Morocco would be missing out on making half a bottle of shampoo in the time it takes them to make a keyboard. And then on the flip side, for Japan to make shampoo, it'd be missing out on making like 2.5 keyboards, while for Morocco it'd be only 2 keyboards. So then Japan would still be trading the keyboards for Moroccan shampoo. In the next video, we're gonna move on from this and just talk about different types of economies that are mentioned in the AP Microeconomics curriculum.